Hey brother, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you why I don't dropship on eBay and what I do with that. I import stock from China and hold it in my house, and then after that I order to all of our customers on a daily basis. So why I choose go this route instead of doing dropshipping on eBay, I'm going to be discussing this in today's video. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification so don't miss out any of my future videos, and don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below. Let's get started. I'm sure that a lot of people are going to get value from this video, so let's jump right into the video. Let's not waste any more time. Now I will go through the reason why I decided to import stock when it comes to selling on eBay instead of doing dropshipping. A lot of people are gonna to get value from this video, so keep watching. Now a lot of people don't know how to start dropshipping and what they should do when it comes to selling on eBay. Let's know what is eBay dropshipping exactly is. As you know, once you make a sale, the supplier will ship it out. When you list the product on eBay, I know this might sound good, but there is a lot of disadvantages because you don't actually have a whole physical goods and you don't have to actually invest anything upfront. And you need to know that when it comes to dropshipping, there is a lot of disadvantages. I'm gonna show you why I decided to import stock and hold it myself. Now we need to know the reasons why I decided to import stock and hold it myself. Why I decided to not do dropshipping, because there is a low barrier to entry. Anyone can sign up to eBay today, and you need to list products that they don't actually have, and after that you need to buy the products from AliExpress. Anyone can do that if you do it that way, which means that there is going to be a level of high competition. I will show you now what I do. I import stock and hold the stock myself. A lot of people who don't have the money to be able to invest it in stock straight away, it's going to be a benefit for me, and it will not easy for a lot of people to do. Not a lot of people are going to be able to do it. The second reason why I decided to import stock, because I'm able to do that. I will ship it out to my customers myself, and it will take 2 or 3 days. And if you are gonna drop from AliExpress, it will take between 15 to 30 days. Now you ask me why I import stock. These are one of the main reasons. There is so many sellers, so that I'm able to get ahead of the competition on eBay. And when it comes to selling on eBay, it's marketplace feel, and I'm able to offer express delivery to my customers with the products. So you need to be able to have a USP, which is a unique selling point. I wouldn't have been able to grow my stories to that level without on 2-day shipping. Always remember that someone else is shipping out the goods for you. You won't be able to build a long-term business on eBay, especially when the supplier is based overseas, and it would be beneficial if you do find the supplier in the UK. And I don't advise to dropship from China. And if you are going to have a drop from China, and if you are going to get a good price too, and if you are going to get a good price for the product, and if you are able to get the product at a cheap price, always bear in mind that it's going to take a really long time for it to reach your customer. Always remember, if you are going to be shipping out the goods from China, it will take a long time. Always bear in that in your mind. It's going to take a really long time for it to reach your customer. Within that time, your customer will not going to be happy with that level of service, and maybe the customer requests the item. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos, and don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below. Stay safe and goodbye.